Here I have Renault Captur, and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this car. So, at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the apps icon, as you can see right here. From the apps, you need to scroll down until you see the settings. Let me tap settings. Then from the list of settings, let's find the sound. So let's choose the sound. And as you can see here, you can adjust few sounds. And if you scroll down, you can find the phone ringtone. Let's tap it. As you can see right now, I'm using gear tab, but this is the full list of available ringtones that you can use on this car. As you can see, there are quite a lot of them, so you can adjust it. And if you like something, then just leave it. Now you can go back, and as you can see, you may save it by tapping here, save button. Now you've got new phone ringtone. If you just touch it and don't push the save button, it will stay with the previous one. So let's just select the one that you like, tap save, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.